I would say just one thing. You cannot do it all. So there'll be lots of things when you get on campus. There'll be people who are focusing on studies. They want to get like 9 GPA, and then there are people who are active in every club or every event. There'll be people who are active in sports. Then there almost everyone partying. So you have to be a bit selective. That will help you keep your sanity. If you try to do it all, then you'll find it really tough, like managing your sleep, your social life, and studies and extracurriculars. That can be a bit challenging. But I would say that look at it from the point of view that this is going to prepare you for life after MBA. Like these are the experiences that will help you survive and excel in the corporate world or whatever that you're going to do after MBA. So I think it's a lot of character building. Don't be afraid about it. Like every year, hundreds of students go through this, and everyone like is going through that test or test of pressure or fire. And I think you'll enjoy the process. I mean, it's tough. I'm not saying it's easy. It is tough, but there are some certain tough things that you'll enjoy. And that is where your friends, your seniors, and everyone comes together. At IIM Calcutta or Joka, we say we leave no one behind. So be rest assured that you'll not be alone in this journey. There'll be people who are vouching for you, supporting you.
Yeah, I kind of agree with everything Aditya said. I'd say pick what interests you, pick what you want to focus on, and then just work on that and go ahead with that. You can't do everything. Like, personally speaking, like, for me, I couldn't even attend like every party. We do party a lot. So attending every party also is sometimes not a possibility. So you do have to pick and choose. And I think it's very important to just stick your ground with what you picked and chosen. Like, there are a lot of people around you. There are a lot of people doing a lot of different things. There will be people who are trying to do everything, but that's not possible. Trust me, you can't do it. Even if you, no matter how much you try, you can't do it. So kind of just stick your ground, believe in yourself, believe in what you know yourself, and you know what you want at the end of the day. So yeah, it is grilling, it is a lot, but it's all worth it at the end. It teaches you a lot, it puts you through a lot, but it's worth it.
Yeah, so I think these Aditya and we have covered most of it, but again, I repeat what they said. The most important thing is, of course, focus. Yeah, you need to know what you want to do, and of course, you can't do everything. So just, I think another thing is managing your time. So ensuring that you divide your day into, okay, this many hours I'll put for studies, this many hours maybe I'll put for extracurriculars, and maybe some hours week I'll specifically allocate for events or working on clubs. So you should be able to manage your time. And again, it's not that difficult. There are a lot of people to help you out. So it essentially you are able to do it. Just need to be very focused, and of course it teaches you very well how to manage your time, because in corporate I think that's a very important skill which you need. So